Welcome back to my Morning Report. Charles Fraser's on Wednesday, the 2nd of March, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now. And we're having another sharp turnaround, didn't we, yesterday? Big dollar strength. I talked in my main daily market overview that a whole series of technical indicators or market indicators suggest that improving sentiment, and that is certainly turning around. This sort of safe haven trade of the yen, yen weakness yesterday, and pulling dollar yen higher, and a big turnaround, very close to a big bearish, big bullish engulfing pattern on the candle. But that's continued high today, and it looks like now we're sort of really using these momentum indicators. Strong momentum developing on the stochastics, MACD lines having bull crossed, and also the RSI as well, sort of suggesting we're going to get a test of this 1487 level, and not too far off it, about 45 ticks away. Now this is sort of where we start to get into the realms of overhead resistance again, because we've got the fib level. So 1487 is that reaction high from the original sort of rebound from that bottom on the 16th of Feb. But then you've got the 38.2% fib at 1507. You've got the 1550 level, which is the big sort of two-year low from this sort of range, that two-year low, 1550 area. And that is your big overhead resistance coming back in on your longer term chart. So we're starting to sort of see this develop about 100 ticks away from all this resistance, or the top of that resistance. So it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts in these situations, but certainly the market is turning around. It's an improving picture. Dollar yen is certainly looking to improve. Here we see on the hourly chart, breaking out again this morning, above that sort of old resistance, sort of developing around sort of 114 figure area. 1370 is that reaction low that we saw overnight today. So that's your initial line of support, and 113.15 is a pivot level. It doesn't get to, it's not exact by any means, but certainly it sort of played a role in sort of the turning points over recent days, and having provided resistance on the 29th and yesterday, the 1st, it sort of now broken strongly through that. So certainly looks as though the outlook is improving. You've got all the momentum indicators positively configured, and moving averages rising. So generally speaking, this dollar yen chart is gaining traction now to the upside. So you'd be hoping that you can continue to trade nicely clear of that 113.50 area and push on towards the 38.2% fib level. So it looks as though it's a recovering chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later.